What is the currently most lazy way to earn money online? Now, there are a few requirements that must be met for this to qualify as the laziest way to generate money online. You must be able to avoid being on camera or an influencer of any type. It must not require a significant upfront investment, so you do not need to spend a lot of money on advertisements or inventory, and the last requirement is that it must have a lengthy half-life. It must allow you to avoid having to develop items or build courses and handle everything involved in that. What do you mean by that, you might be asking? Simply put, this means that if you put in the effort once, it may pay off for many years to come. I think I've now discovered the easiest technique to earn money online that satisfies all of these requirements, and I'm going to share it with you. You have probably seen numerous other films about this topic that instruct you to complete internet surveys. Go out there and work at occupations like transcribing or making films or images. If you accomplish these things once, you will be compensated, but you will need to keep doing them again to earn money. Additionally, I demonstrate a number of jobs where you may do just this in a video on my channel. And if you want to make money rapidly, that is completely great. Just keep in mind that the money ceases as soon as you stop doing that item. Therefore, in my opinion, those are not the most convenient ways to make money online. And if you are watching, I'll venture a bet that you value intelligence over effort, just as I do. So without further ado, let's get into what I believe to be the best lazy approach to make money online, a high payout product combined with a high leverage traffic source. You could be wondering what in the world I just heard you say and what that is at this point. While this may seem complicated, in my opinion, it's the easiest way to do it. Let me give you a quick rundown of how to do this. Finding a match between your interests and market viability is the first and easiest step. All you need to do is open a Google document and list literally anything you are interested in. I advise listing at least 20 interests, and these might include hobbies, pastime activities, books you enjoy reading, or entertainment you enjoy watching. After that, you should do what I'm about to show you on your screen, which is take this list of 20 items. Please feel free to pause this video at this point if you need to compare your list to the items I've listed. If there are any items on your list that do not relate to the items I've listed, you may simply cross them out. You might be wondering why we are doing this at this point, but bear with me, everything will make a lot of sense shortly. The next step is to collaborate with a finished, high-payoff product. There are currently a number of websites with online marketplaces that allow you to essentially receive a portion of the sales proceeds. The list of some of these websites is now available. They include dgstore24.com, clickbank.com, and a few others that I will specifically mention in this video when I demonstrate how to do it in practice. Unlike many other videos you may have seen, I won't just talk about this. Instead, I'll walk you through the process step by step. You visit a website like dgstore24.com, choose the Marketplace button over here, and then select the category that most closely matches what you noted in step 1. Then, what you'll want to do is look for a product that costs at least $500. This is due to the fact that if you take 50% of this product, you will make $250, and if you make only one sale a day, you will make far more than $100 per day using this inefficient strategy. So you simply register for the website, in this case, Digistore24, and then click Advertise next to the product you wish to advertise. This will then give you this URL, which I'll explain how to use. That you may profit from other people's labor while both being lazy and making money. And now that we have our link, let me demonstrate how to use it. The third step is to adhere to my Slack content traffic algorithm. Formulating your thoughts is the first step in the lazy formula. Simply enter the category you noted in step 1 into the YouTube search bar, find the top 3 channels in that category, and then access their most popular videos. You can easily do this by going to YouTube, clicking the small Popular Videos tab, and noting the 10 most popular videos from each channel. This is the only step where we have to put in a little bit more work, but trust me, it is still better than any other online job because you can continue earning money from it for years to come, making it a truly lazy method as opposed to all those other methods where you have to keep putting in the work repeatedly. Of those 3 channels, which give you a total of 30 ideas, it has the potential to generate income for many years to come. You then open the videos you noted, Add your own commentary to them in a Google document, then return to the original videos. Make sure that what you write down is original and in your own words. You can use a tool called Copyscape to make sure that it is. I personally like to be lazy when I do this, so I just watch them through at twice the speed to go through them faster. Just a few pennies are spent on each search. Also free to draw inspiration from a variety of videos. Please feel free to conduct online research and include the most important details from each video into the script. I'll explain how to use it in a moment. And the reason I advised picking something you're interested in is because you might know a thing or two about it or know how to offer extra value to help people, giving you a greater chance of succeeding financially. The next step is to create a slideshow out of your script using Google Slides, which is free and part of Google Drive. I suggest including images and icons to make your presentation appear extremely beautiful. I suggest visiting the Flat Icon website for icons and pxels.com for images. If you are too lazy to talk, you can hire someone for really cheap from Fiverr or Upwork. You may record your screen as you talk and navigate around your slideshow using the totally free screen recorder OBS. Then, all you have to do is post these movies to YouTube, optimize them, and include a link to the product you located there in your description and your comments section. Suddenly, you have a resource that might be able to support you for many years to come. Here's a breakdown of how you may perhaps earn $100 every day by doing this. Setting a schedule of 3 videos per week is what I advise you to do. This may seem like a lot, but I am confident that you can manage it. You can literally only put in 1 day of labor per week doing this if you record them all in 1 day. Then you just upload them and schedule their release on YouTube. You've been doing this for a year and have 144 videos on your channel. I'll try to be conservative here, but if each video gets 1,000 views per month and 90% of your views come from just 10% of your videos, that works out to 144,000 views per month. If only 0.004 of the people who watch your channel buy the program you're promoting, that works out to 57 sales per month. If the program you're promoting costs $1,000, then that works out to $57,000 per month. And if you get half of that by joining their affiliate program, that gives you $28,000 per month, which is obviously more than $100 per day. However, if you keep doing this and develop this lazy method, which is truly lazy because you only have to do the work once, it may be possible for it to continue paying you. No, it doesn't automatically follow that if we submit 144 videos we will make this much money, but as I said, I want to show you what is possible with what is in my opinion the finest lazy approach to make money online. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe on our channel. Comment below if you found this video educational and which way of online earning you would like us to record next.